it's Marina from Say Something Crafty. I'm here to do another project share with you. This is another fabric journal that I made. I have some vintage lace on, or not lace, yeah, vintage ribbon on here. And I forgot where I got this. Oh, I think this was in my design team package from SM Tiffany Lane. So I have some more trim here, and this beaded trim, so pretty. That's the back. I wanted to show the back before I go inside. I did some layering also on the cover. And then inside is this really pretty fabric that I found at Joann's, and I was afraid to put it on here, but just because when it's like silky and really thin, I get worried I'm going to mess it up somehow, but this is pretty and it worked out perfect. So there's just some random not random, just different styles of papers in here as per my other journals. Tim Holtz, some Prima, and there's another photo sleeve that flips up, and I just add some washi tape down there, some coffee dyed pages, some more note cards. I paper clip this on, music paper, and here is a pocket. And I just glued this down, and then in here in this envelope is some extra Tim Holtz ephemera. And some more ephemera. And vintage book pages. And then here is a envelope in the center, and it's got a blank mini journal inside. And some more ephemera. Love this image. This is one of my favorite images from the book. I feel bad using them, but that was the whole point I cut them up, was to use them. So some vintage card here, and then there's some extra paper, some extra coffee dyed paper that I had, and some Tim Holtz ephemera. Clip that up there, and just a little flip book here, and then a weekly time card and some more ephemera, and that is the back. I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be putting this in my Etsy shop. I will have all of my newer journals in the Etsy shop, so I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.